Hi everybody, welcome to the Perfect eLearning channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a brief about what we're going to study in this particular week. Okay, so are you guys ready for some amazing topics coming up for the week? Well, that's great. So in order to begin with, how many of you know about constructors and destructors in Python? If you know, then do comment in the section. Well, constructors, I believe many of you might know, and their use case is also clear about, creation of new objects, right? But today we are going to discuss about not so heard destructors, and that too in Python. So destructors are called, when an object gets destroyed, right? In Python, destructors are not needed as much they are needed in C++. Why? Because Python already has a garbage collector that handles the memory management automatically. So that is not much needed. However, in case it is needed, we use the del method, which is known as the destructor method in Python. So it is, called when all the references to that object have been deleted. That is when an object is garbage collected. Okay. So that is the use case of destructors in Python. I hope you are now clear with the brief description about that. Okay. We would be doing that further in much more detail with proper example. But before that, let me tell you what will be the other topic of our discussion in this week. Okay, so the other topic that we would be discussing is searching algorithms. So how many of you know or aware about linear term, binary search, linear search? Do you know what is the purpose of searching of these searching algorithms? If you're aware, do write in the comment sections. Well, not, then it's okay. For example, you have a list of elements. For example, you have 5 numbers, and I give you one of the number, and you need to tell me whether that number is present in that list or not. Okay, so that is the use case of searching algorithms. So there are actually 2 ways to do that. The first one is simply, loop through the whole list and find the particular item. So that's going to take a little more time because I gave an example of 5 elements. It could be 100 elements, 1,000 elements, million elements. So will you be, searching it through million times? That's going to be a very time consuming process, right? The second thing is using divide and conquer. So that is what is binary search. All right. So we are going to do that in much more detail. Okay, so we would be doing in our upcoming video that. So I'm sure you understood the what part of destructors in Python, of the searching techniques in a much more brief way, right? Now, how to develop it, how to use it, we would be understanding the same in our upcoming video, which is going to be launched on this Wednesday, that is 10th of August, and on this Friday, that is 12th of August. All right. So for the notifications, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest update. Okay. So I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.